Everybody's looking for the magic ticket to investing, right? Well, guess what? It's simpler than you think. Let's talk about ETFs, specifically the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VUO. This little gem tracks the S&P 500 index, which means you're investing in 500 of America's biggest companies. Think of it as instant diversification. Here's why VOO is a winner. It has a super low expense ratio of just 0.03%. That's a fancy way of saying it's cost-effective. And hey, Warren Buffett himself recommends it, so you know it's legit. Historically, the S&P 500 has outperformed many actively managed funds. We're talking solid annual gains and the magic of compounding. Imagine your money growing at an 8% annual return over time. That's how you build wealth. The best part? You can start small and watch it grow. The key is to start early and stay consistent. Don't procrastinate. Time is your best friend in investing. VEO is your best bet. Do your research, start today, and thank me later. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay patient and keep learning. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. And always set new goals to keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. So, are you ready to start your investment journey with VOO? Take the first step and watch your money grow. Happy investing.